Okay, so let's indent these paragraphs and show you how to do double spacing for your short story. Okay, so this is a little bit of text that I wrote for my third novel for my first chapter. So these are the first few pages. So as you can see, the paragraphs are not indented whatsoever. You can tell these are paragraphs because if I go here and go show hide, you can see that where I press the enter key. So that's what these little markers show, paragraphs. So right now, there are no indenting whatsoever in these paragraphs. So I'm in Microsoft Word, the online edition, the one that's Dallas College offers to all students. And so if you go here, hold on. So I'm using shortcut keys, so I just press Control A. But if you choose everything and go to these three dots over here where it says More Options, you'll see the word paragraph. And so where it says Special Indenting, where it says First Line. So that is the equivalent of pressing on your keyboard Tab once to do 0.5 inch, which is a ½ inch away from the margins. So the margins are 1 inch margins all around. Okay, so that's how you do the first line indenting. So now it's very easy to see when you have paragraphs of exposition, like here's the narrator talking, and then when you have these lines of dialogue. But to double space it, to make it even easier to read, so Control A to choose everything. Again, go back here to the More Options, and then you'll see the word line spacing, so 2. So that way it'll be really easy to see what part is exposition, where the narrator is telling to the reader background information, and then moving on to dialogue. Oh, and when you're using internal dialogue, that is, a character is thinking to themselves, then the suggestion is to italicize anytime there's what's called internal monologue, or when a character is having thoughts. So here is internal thoughts that Janie, this character Janie, is thinking to herself. And then here, with these double quotes and your order map, that is Pat, the waitress, talking to Janie. So that's how you can use Microsoft Word Online Edition with these more options to get to the paragraphs, to first line indent all of your paragraphs, including dialogue, and also to double space to get your final draft for your capstone. Okay, that's it. I hope this helps.